Hello po. To answer your question, I actually did not have any experience in the Philippines. I'm one of the fortunate ones that started as a dialysis nurse here in Australia, and I actually got my training here. So one good thing po na nangyari sa akin is that when I was doing my dialysis training, it was for 6 weeks and I was already getting paid as a regular nurse. So, kumbaga, working and then training and then you're getting money, unlike sa Philippines po na you have to pay, which is I think a sad reality for most Filipino nurses. I have been there as well. I did a couple of specializations and I had to pay for them. So, yeah, sana mabago. Sana may pag-asa someday. But yes po, wala po ako experience sa Philippines, but I started here in Australia, which is I think a great blessing for me kasi hindi lahat nabibigyan ng opportunity to be a dialysis nurse, especially dito sa ibang country. The challenges was, learning the machine, learning it from zero or scratch. So, yun talaga yung pinaka, siguro, nahirapan ako to adjust, but I guess at the end of the day, I just had to because, ito na yung napili kong profession, and yeah, I'm just grateful for the opportunity, especially sa boss ko, na nagbigay sa akin ng sobrang magandang opportunity noong time na yun. Wala akong ka-experience, I was just a new grad, and yeah, nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon. I guess it's also how you present yourself at the end of the day. So, yeah, I'm here in this beautiful country and I'm here doing what I love most because, God gave me the opportunity. So, good luck po sa inyo and all the best po. Sana pinapanalangin ko na sana ma-achieve nyo rin yung success nyo sa buhay na to. Let me know if you have any more questions. Alright, bye!